Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your profile on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website, from which if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to enter your credentials. So use your email address and your password and you will be logged into your account. Now, if you haven't completed your profile, you will see the update profile button right at your homepage. So you can click on this to update your profile. Otherwise, you can also click on the Me option at the top right corner and then click on View Profile. And from this page, you can click on Add or Edit Profile section in order to set up your profile. You also have the option to build your profile in minutes using a resume. You can click on the Get Started button and you will be asked to upload your recent resume, which you can upload and your profile will be created automatically. You can also set up this profile manually by filling up the manual setup. You can add your profile photo by clicking on the Add Profile Photo option and then edit your About info by clicking on About. Similarly, you can also add your education, your position info, as well as your career break and skill information. Underneath the recommended section, you have the option to add any featured content and also your licenses and certifications. You can also add projects, courses, as well as recommendations from individuals or companies about your previous work-related performance. Finally, underneath the additional section, you can add your volunteering experience, your publications, any patents that you have, as well as your honors and awards. You can also include your test scores, your language skills, as well as any organizations that you are affiliated to, and various other information such as your causes and your contact info. Once you have set up all of these information, your profile will be completed, and based on this, you can automatically create a resume for your profile on LinkedIn. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to build your profile on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.